Hello students, I'm Dr. Himanshu Kanpal, Assistant Professor English, Government MS College for Women, Bikaner. Today we are going to start the poem Night of the Scorpion by Nissim Ezekiel, and this poem is prescribed in the ME Final Syllabus of English Literature, Paper 9th A, Indian Writing. We are going to start with introduction to the poet. Nissim Ezekiel was an Indian Jewish poet, playwright, editor, and art critic. He was foundational figure in post-colonial India's literary history, especially for Indian writing in English. For his contributions in literature, he was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1983 for his poetry collection Latter Day Psalms by the Sahitya Akademi, India's National Academy of Letters. He was born on 16 December 1924 in Bombay, Maharashtra. His father, Moses Ezekiel, was a professor of botany at Wilson College, and his mother was principal of her own school. The Ezekiels belonged to Mumbai's Jewish community known as Ben Israel. In 1947, Ezekiel earned a BA in literature from Wilson College, Mumbai, University of Mumbai. In 1947-48, he taught English literature and published many literary articles after dabbling in radical politics for a while. So, he entered politics for a while. He sailed to England in November 1948. There, he studied philosophy at Birkbeck College, London. After 3.5 years stay, Ezekiel worked his way home as a deck scrubber aboard a ship carrying arms to Indochina. He married Daisy Jacob in 1952. In the same year, Fortune Press published poetry, The Bad Day, and he joined the Illustrated Weekly of India as an assistant editor in 1953 and stayed there for 2 years. Soon after his return from London, he published his second book of verse, 10 poems, and for the next 10 years, he also worked as a broadcaster on art and literature for All India Radio. Nissim Ezekiel, all the while, is busy with his literary works and published his book The Unfinished Man in 1960. After working as an advertising copywriter and general manager of a picture frame company, he co-founded the literary monthly imprint in 1961. He also became the art critic of the Times of India and edited Poetry India. From 1961 to 1972, he headed the English department of Mitibai College, Mumbai. On the invitation of the US government, he went on a month-long tour to the US in November 1974. In 1976, he translated poetry from Marathi and co-edited a fiction and poetry anthology. His poem, one of the famous poems, The Night of the Scorpion, is used as study material in Indian and British school. After a prolonged battle with Alzheimer's disease, Nissim Ezekiel died in Mumbai on January 9, 2004 at the age of 79. The exact name, his fifth book of poetry, was published in 1965. During this period, he had short tenures as visiting professor at University of Leeds and University of Chicago. In 1967, while in America, he experimented with hallucinogenic drugs, probably as a means to expand his writing skills. He finally stopped using them in 1972. In 1969, Writers' Workshop Calcutta published his The Three Plays. A year later, he presented an art series of 10 programs for Mumbai television. Ezekiel received the Sahitya Akademi Cultural Award in 1983, and he also got the Padma Shri in 1988 for his contribution to literature. He was professor of English and reader in American literature at University of Mumbai during the 1990s and secretary of the Indian branch of International Writers Organization PEN. So when he began his writing career in the late 1940s, his use of formal and correct English was criticized given its association with colonialism. So he was criticized for the use of his formal and correct English. After 1965, he began experimenting with exaggerated Indian English. Ezekiel, being a member of Indian Jewish community, approached poetry as an outsider and was different from the nationalistic Indian literature of that time. Most of his poetry was that of the urban India, issues of alienation, love, marriage, and sexuality. He acted as a mentor to younger poets such as Tom Morris, Adil Jusawala, and Jeev Patel. In the last few years of his life, he was deeply involved in helping Mumbai poets, his advice being forthright but seldom blunt. Now I have given some of the list of Nissim Ezekiel works, his collections, his poetry collections. Time to Change, published in 1952. In 53, 60 poems. In 1956, The Discovery of India. 1959, The Third. 1960, The Unfinished Man. In 1965, The Exact Name. In 1974, Snakeskin and Other Poems, translations of the Marathi poet Indra Sant. 1976, Hymns in Darkness. 1982, Latter Day Psalms. 1989, Collected Poems. Other. 1969, The Three Plays. He worked as an editor for an Emerson Readers, a Joseph King Reader, another anthology of fiction and poetry. Many of his famous poems include Night of the Scorpion, The Doctor, Case Study, Poster Prayers, The Traitor, Poet Lover, Birdwatcher, Latter Day Psalms, The Railway Clerk, Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S., Enterprise in India, In the Theatre, and The Couple. So we move on to the poem Night of the Scorpion, which is one of the famous poems written by Nissim Ezekiel. Here we are going to look at the introduction to the poem. Night of the Scorpion is a poem that focuses on a single episode in the life of an Indian family, and the poem is beautifully written. A scorpion has been forced by persistent rain to seek refuge inside under a sack of rice. It is a rainy night, and a scorpion has been forced by the rain to seek refuge under a sack of rice. It ends up stinging the mother of the family, which brings people flocking to her side, wanting to help out with the subsequent pain. Means all the people, all the village people, they gathered at their home and they tried to provide subsequent remedies to relieve the mother from the pain. All this is observed by the speaker in first person. Perhaps this is a child, a daughter, or son who the speaker. Names and ages are not revealed or divulged. It is suffice to say that the observations are keen and precise. It means that what the speaker is speaking, he is observing the surroundings, the people, the mother, their reactions very precisely and have presented in a very keen manner. So the reader can only conclude that this speaker has an exceptional eye for detail. We can say the speaker has an exceptional eye for detail and presented what is going on with an exceptional detail. Night of the Scorpion is a 8 stanza poem, each stanza of which contains between 3 and 18 lines. This is one of Ezekiel's first poems. It was first anthologized in Collected Poems 1952 to 1988. The poem is free verse, meaning it does not contain a rhyme scheme. This choice adds to the seriousness of the poem, subject matter, and deadly nature of the story Ezekiel tells. The Night of the Scorpion is a story of one night in which the mother of the speaker is stung by a poisonous scorpion. She suffers for 20 hours while peasants, holy men, and her husband attempted to heal her. They try curses, blessings, prayers, herbs, and all forms of ancient meditation so that they can relieve the mother from pain that are not that are not practiced in the most of the modern world. But their efforts are in vain. A sense of otherworldliness is created by the beliefs and practices of these peasants in comparison to the world in which the reader is existing. A barrier is put up. The main thing about the poem is that when the mother is stung by the poisonous scorpion, in the end the mother says, "Mother, thank God that it has not stung children." That is why we can connect very closely to the feelings of the mother. This barrier is torn down as the poem concludes and the reader realizes how similar they are to the characters in the poem, united by their common humanity. This is all about the poem Night of the Scorpion by Nissim Ezekiel. Thank you.